I've got a simple question for you that you're gonna get wrong, but it's fun to try anyway, right? How many subscribers do you think you need to earn a six-figure income over $100,000 on YouTube? Let us know in the comments below. Okay, you done? Now for the real answer.
I have less than 40,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, but back in 2022, I was able to make over $186,000 from showing up in this box twice a week, every week, for the past almost 6 years. I've been able to buy my dream home, take care of my family, take care of my disabled husband, and I'm able to accomplish a lot of personal and professional goals that I have wanted to reach.
We've already spoken to Desiree about how tiny channels can earn thousands of dollars on YouTube before they're even monetized. But today, it's Desiree's story. And she is going to help you start your business journey on YouTube. All you need to do is check out a link in the description and start to think about YouTube like this.
I have been able to do all this with one very simple principle that I live by. I am a business owner who also happens to be a creator. I'm not a creator who's trying to figure out how to build a business. I don't create so that I can get millions of views and hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And I definitely am not living for the AdSense. I am using YouTube as a tool to build up my business. If this box goes away, I'm still able to earn a living outside of what's going on here. I'm not in control of what happens here, but I am in control of the different things that I have put in place for my business. Now, YouTube supports my business, actually the pillar. I start with my YouTube content and I fan it out from there. I'm able to not only create really catchy thumbnails and titles for my videos, but I can also take them and make SEO versions of them that are good for going out onto the internet, with repurposing them into blogs, turning them into other pieces of content to share on other social networks, and of course, building up my email list so I have control of what my audience sees and when they get to see this. So let me tell you about what my different income streams are and how they add up to these different dollar amounts. I have my service-based business. I offer social media marketing management services to people because that's what my content focuses on, and it's my leading income source for my brand. I have since been able to apply for the Amazon Influencer Program, which has made up a very good percentage of what I do with my income. I have sponsors for my channel because they like what we're doing and I'm able to target their specific audience that they want and also reinforce my content with my email list. Of course, I use affiliate marketing. I talk about tools all the time. And of course, there is AdSense. AdSense isn't nothing, but it isn't a very substantial part of what I'm doing. I am fortunate where I get to make a little bit more than others because I have a really high CPM because of who I talk to, which is business professionals. I've also licensed my videos to educational facilities where they're able to take my content and sell it to companies, educational institutions who need to know about social and video marketing. Because of the expertise that I have established on YouTube, I'm able to speak all over the country about video and social media marketing, which again brings me in business and also subscribers to my channel. Now, some of the revenue streams that I did not list here that you could be doing as well is going to be with digital products, merchandise, or even building a paid online community. Those are just things that I have not been able to make work for my business or have not had success with them because of who my audience is and who I serve. I don't care what kind of channel you have. There's something that you do, that you offer, that you know, that you can sell as a resource. So how do you do this? How can you be a business owner who is supported by YouTube versus being a YouTuber trying to figure out how to make money? I have a very simple thing to help you with this. I want you to create a digital product to get started. I have a worksheet that you can grab in the description below that's going to walk you through some very specific things that you can do and figure out so you can figure out what digital product can I sell to my audience. Are you a gamer and that maybe you figured out how to do something? Create a cheat book for that game. Are you a gardener and you have a whole bunch of like tips, tricks, and secrets on how to grow the perfect tomato? Sell that ebook, all right? If you are a financial advisor and you're like, I have this sheet that anyone can use to figure out how to make more money so they can eventually need a financial advisor, sell that sheet. It doesn't matter what you do, you can sell your knowledge for money, and that can start with as simple as a digital product. And eventually it will snowball into more opportunities, including consulting, speaking, and maybe even offering management services of your own.
Earning one of these for your YouTube channel starts with a baby step, your first subscriber. And it's the same for turning your passion into a career, your first business decision. You want unlimited opportunities to earn this without it all being hidden behind this. You don't want YouTube to control when, where, and how you make money. Instead, you want to control YouTube to communicate when, where, and how you make your money. And so that first baby step into your business starts with this worksheet over here. And if you want to learn more about those tiny channels that were earning thousands of dollars, which is probably where you are right now, this is the next video you need to see.